Hello everyone and welcome to this episode. In this episode, we are going to have a look at the concept of glob and file name globbing in Unix operating system. And it also applies to all the Unix like operating systems like Linux, FreeBSD and Mac OS. So before getting started, I'm just going to create a few files, ABC, touch, ABC1, ABC2, and abc.txt and touch A1C. Okay, so if I try to say ls star or A star, and if I hit enter, it is actually going to show me the list of all the files where starting name is A or the starting character is A. So using this technique or this particular thing, this particular pattern is known as glob. It is known as glob in programming, and we are actually using it for specifying the file name. That is why it is known as file name globbing. So now if I'm going to mention that file name globbing with the ls command, it is going to work with in conjunction with the ls command, and it is going to show us all the file names where the first character is A. So star means there could be anything, 0 or more characters. Okay, and question mark is exactly one character. So I can also say A and then exactly one character. It could be any character and then C. And if I hit enter, it is going to show me ABC because there is only a single file that matches this criteria. And the criteria is the first character has to be lowercase a, the final character or the last character, third character has to be lowercase c, and then the middle character should be anything. Okay, but it has to be exactly one character. So question mark stands for exactly one character and star stands for 0 or more character. Okay, so there is only one file name as of now that is matching this particular criteria that we have mentioned in this particular glob. So now we can create various globs like these. So I can say star, and if I hit enter, it is going to show me all the file and directory names because star means anything. Okay, and let me clear it. And if I want to see a file with only 3 characters in the file name, then I can use this. And I think that there are 3 files, ABC, ABC1. No, I guess there is only one file, okay, single file, and that is ABC. Now I also can say a file name with only 4 characters in the file name, and here we have, and I can also say ls star dot star. It means that the file name should contain dot. So all the files with dot, they are now visible, and I can just say star.txt. Okay, txt, and we can also say star.txt. So this is the strict file name. So this is how we can use the file name globbing. So this is very easy concept. Basically, we are going to create various patterns where star is 0 or more characters and question mark is exactly one character. Okay. So this is all about the file name globbing, and we can use file name globbing with the ls command and many other commands. We can even say cp question mark to xyz dot or only xyz. Okay, so we are just going to make a copy of any file into xyz. Okay, so that file should have only 3 characters in the file name and ls, and here we have the xyz file. Okay, so it is the copy of the file abc. So this is how we can use the concept of file name globbing. So I hope that you have understood the concept of globs and file name globbing and how we can use globbed file names with the commands like ls and cp. So do let me know if you have any questions or comments in the comment section down below. Thanks a lot for watching this episode, and we will meet again in the next episode.